Hi, my name is Rod Kimsley, and I'm a consumer bankruptcy attorney located in Houston, Texas. Today, I'd like to discuss with you Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Chapter 7 is a type of bankruptcy that allows you to wipe out or discharge your unsecured debts, things such as credit cards, medical bills, repossession deficiencies, and other things such as that. Chapter 7 bankruptcy cases generally last about 4 to 5 months, so they go fairly quickly, and you usually only have to go down to the courthouse for a one-time meeting with a trustee appointed by the court to administer the case. This meeting is called a creditors meeting because creditors are invited to attend the meeting, but in all actuality they usually do not. Generally it's just us and the trustee that attend the meeting, and again it takes 5 to 10 minutes. In order to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case, you're required to do a credit counseling, which can be done either over the telephone or over the computer, and takes about an hour to an hour and a half to complete. From that, we get a certificate that's filed with the court so the court knows that you completed the counseling. Other than that, there's a lot of paperwork that you have to get together in order to file your case. Things such as a questionnaire that you fill out. You need to get together your last couple of years of tax returns, last 6 months of pay stubs, and last 3 months of bank statements. You bring all that to your attorney, and your attorney will assemble all that into your case papers, which is about 60 to 70 pages worth of paperwork that's filed with the court. You'll sit down with your attorney, review this paperwork, sign it, and under penalty of perjury, and it's filed with the court. Once it is filed with the court, something called an automatic stay goes into effect, which is what allows you to have protection from your creditors. The automatic stay keeps your creditors from collecting against you in any way. Once they receive notice of the bankruptcy, they're not allowed to call you, send you any letters, or send you any lawsuits, judgments, repossessions, foreclosures. All of that is stopped due to the bankruptcy. At the meeting with the trustee, you'll need to show your driver's license and social security card just to prove who that you are. And then the trustee will have you raise your right arm, put you under oath to tell the truth, and he'll ask you a few questions. Again, this meeting only takes about 5 minutes. It goes really quick. After that, you're required to do a second half of a credit counseling called a financial management course. This is also done online. It takes 2 hours to complete. Again, we get a certificate to file with the court. In a Chapter 7 proceeding, you're allowed to reaffirm certain debts. These debts are generally secured debts, things like cars and houses. So if you want to keep your car or keep your house, and you would sign this reaffirmation agreement and keep making payments on those items, this agreement is filed with the court for court approval. At the end of a Chapter 7 case, which is again after about 4 months, you'll receive a discharge signed by a federal bankruptcy judge. This discharge officially wipes out these remaining unsecured debts. Things that are not discharged are secured debts that you want to keep, such as a house or a car, IRS debts that are less than 3 years old, and also child support debts, student loans. Those types of things are not typically discharged in a bankruptcy. But all of your credit cards, medical bills, payday loans, repossession deficiencies, anything like that would be discharged and gone through the bankruptcy, never to be heard from again. Chapter 7 bankruptcy does stay on your credit report for a period of 10 years, but it's not all that bad. You get your first worst hit right when you file, but after that it'll rebuild itself fairly quickly, and you'll be back on your road again to repairing your credit. This is all that I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tune back in for future installments, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.